Hey guys, Jason here with Quantum Courses, and in this tutorial, we'll be going over how to navigate and manage your Redbubble portfolio. Redbubble provides you with tons of tools and features that you can access from your Manage Portfolio page. From here, you can easily edit your existing products, delete designs, select various product settings, and much more. We'll be taking a look at how to navigate the Manage Portfolio page and the various tools and options you have to manage your designs and products. For my demo shop, I've already created tons of designs using the tools and templates available on Canva. If you're a beginner and need help creating awesome t-shirt designs, make sure you click my link in the video description to unlock your free trial of Canva Pro. With Canva Pro, you can access thousands of professional t-shirt design templates that you can easily customize any way that you like. You can also export your designs with transparency to add to your products, access the entire Canva library of images and graphics, unlock the Canva background remover tool, and tons of other awesome features to help you build and grow your brand. To try Canva Pro for free, make sure you head over to jasongandy.org and click the Unlock Canva Pro button, or simply click the link in the video description. So now that I've filled my store up with some awesome designs, let's head over to my Redbubble shop and check it out. Hopefully you've already started uploading new works and filling your Redbubble shop up with cool designs. As an example, I'm creating a martial arts shop, so I've already started uploading several martial arts designs to my store. Each design I've uploaded is featured on several products, so my store looks pretty full even with a few designs. Once you've uploaded your designs and created products, you'll be able to see your product categories in the menu on the left-hand side here. If you select a category, you'll be able to view all the designs that you've added to those items. For example, if a customer really wanted a classic tee, they can go to the menu here, click on the clothing category, go down to t-shirts, and then find the design that they want on the classic tee. From the t-shirt category, you'll be able to view all the different t-shirts that are available on Redbubble that you've created. If a customer wanted to search for a particular design, they could use the Explore Designs tab up top here. So let's say you've already uploaded some designs and you're reviewing your shop and you notice there are some changes that you need to make. Maybe you need to update your title, adjust the size of your graphics, enable or disable certain products, change your default product view, or anything else. This can be done from your Manage Portfolio menu. So as an example, let's head over there now and see what all we can do. To get to the menu, go ahead and click on your account icon up top here, then click on Manage Portfolio. This will take you to the Manage Portfolio menu where you can manage all of the designs that you've added to your shop. It looks like my keyword research is working because I just uploaded these designs yesterday and I already have 5 favorites and 1 follow. You can view your current number of favorites and follows at the top right of the page here. So let's check out some of the various options and tools we have on the Manage Portfolio page here. This is where you can view and manage all of the designs that you've uploaded to Redbubble. Eventually, you're going to have a ton of designs, so to find a particular design that you're looking for, go up to the search bar here and type in the keyword that's associated with it. As an example, let's type in karate to see all of the designs I've uploaded associated with that keyword. So all of the designs shown in the results here have the keyword karate somewhere in the details. Eventually, you'll have hundreds of designs, so you'll need to be able to search through them easily to edit them. Underneath each of your designs, you'll be able to see the comments it's received, the sales, and the number of times it's been favorited. This is a great way to keep track of what your customers like and to know what to create more of. At the top left-hand corner of each of your designs, you'll also notice a checkbox. If you select a design, you'll see another menu pop up top here. Here you'll find several different options you can use to manage your designs. From the first drop down here, you can create a new or add your design to an existing collection. Under the Available On drop-down menu, you can see all the products available on Redbubble and enable or disable a product for that design. For example, if I select the Chieftain top, then select Disable, my design will no longer be available on this product. Not only can you do this for single designs, but if you select multiple designs at the same time, you can remove or add products in bulk. If you select a design, then go up to the Default View drop-down menu, you'll be able to select the product that you want your design to be displayed on in your shop. If you notice you're selling a lot of stickers, for example, you may want to change your default view to stickers. But if you're just getting started, I recommend just using the Optimized default view. This is when Redbubble will select the product that's displayed based on various data. And under the More drop-down menu, you can set your designs to private or public, and also select whether it's mature content or not. Typically, you want to keep your designs public if you're selling them in your shop, but there are some cases where you might want to set them private, like maybe you have designs for certain holidays that you only want available during the season. And if your design contains any nudity, adult language, alcohol or drugs, guns or violence, then you're gonna want to set it to mature. From your Manage Portfolio menu, you can also edit all of your titles and your tags very easily. If you look up top and click on the Quick Edit tab, you'll be taken to a page where you can view all of your designs and the titles and tags beside them. Feel free to make any changes that you wish, and once you're finished, make sure you click on Save on the right hand side. You can then scroll back up to the top of the page and click on the Exit Quick Edit menu tab to get back to the Manage Portfolio menu. If we go back to our designs here, we can also see a settings icon at the top right of each image. When you click this, you'll see various options pop up where you can manage or promote your design. So let's take a look at the various settings tabs and see what all they can do. If you needed to resize or rearrange your design on a product or edit your listing details, you can do this by clicking the Edit tab. This will take you to the Uploads page where you can edit your title, your description, your tags, or anything else that we created when we uploaded the design. If you're looking through your shop and you notice a design is not quite the right size on a product, or maybe not quite in the right location, then you'll want to come here to make any changes that's needed. If you like, you can also scroll down and update your publishing settings such as your default view. And when you're finished, make sure you go down to the bottom and click on Save Work. Any changes that you made will now be updated in your shop. The next tab we have here is the Copy Settings tab. This is a very useful feature, especially when you're uploading designs with similar details. If you click this, a new listing will be created with the same details as the design that you're editing. All the details have been copied, so you can simply swap out the design, update the title and description, or anything else you need. If you're uploading a ton of similar designs, this can make the process a lot faster. But a quick note, for the best results, try to upload an image with the same dimensions as the original. The next option we have here is our Promote Products tab. This will take you to your Share Your Work page where you can view all the products that your design is featured on. Simply select a product and click the icon at the top right to share it on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, or Pinterest. Marketing your shop is highly important, so make sure you're sharing your work. Underneath the Promote Products tab, we also have the Promote Artwork tab. From here, you can click the share icon to share your artwork, and customers can click to view your design and also see the products your design is featured on. The next three options here are pretty self-explanatory. You can make your design private, set it as mature, or delete the design. So as you can see, there are tons of tools and features that you can access in your Manage Portfolio menu. As you upload more designs, make more sales, and grow your shop, make sure you're constantly coming back here to make any needed updates. So that's a quick overview of how to navigate and manage your Redbubble portfolio. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.